Transformers.
Welcome to another edition of Jerovision 2.0. Featured in today's review from the Masterpiece Collection is one of my favorite cons of all time, the Decepticon communicator, Soundwave. We have here Soundwave in his packaging, and what a gorgeous production picture we have. But I didn't bring him by himself, I brought a few friends along. We also have MP15, Rumble, and Jaguar, as well as MP16, Frenzy, and Buzzsaw. As we pan in on Rumble and Jaguar, aka Rumble and Ravage, we take a shot at Ravage, and this is a gorgeous production shot. I love what I'm seeing here, folks. Now, these guys seem to pop right off the screen, G1 accurate. I'm loving what I'm seeing here. We have a couple shots of their robot mode, couple shots with the cassettes, and I tell you, this is gorgeous. As we pan over here, we're going to take a closer look at Frenzy and Buzzsaw, and we get a nice production shot of Buzzsaw, absolutely gorgeous. And we're going to move over here and take a look at Frenzy. And again, absolutely gorgeous detail on these figures. I can't wait to crack them open. As we're looking at the packaging, we have some more production shots. Soundwave in his cassette player mode. We have Soundwave featured here with the blueprint of the space cruiser from their first episode in G1. We also have Soundwave featured with his own variation of the Megatron gun, as well as Soundwave featured with his scanner/sensor, which is a cool detail. Not to mention Soundwave and his Energon cube, and of course his signature hand cannon. MP13 also comes with Condor, aka Laserbeak, as we see him perched on his shoulder with his spy cam sticking out of the top of his head. And we get a nice clean production shot of Condor, aka Laserbeak. Here, you have Soundwave featured with the G1 cassettes, indicating that they can actually accommodate this figure, as well as we have Soundwave here with Laserbeak perched on his arm, looking pretty cool. We're going to move over a little bit, pan down. Now, with the box, this is the actual size of the figure, but we're moving on from that. We want to show some of the accessories that come with Rumble and Ravage. Of course, Rumble comes with his signature pile drivers, his blasters, a connector, and they come with two Energon pink cassette cases. Another production shot of these two guys standing next to each other. And, of course, another shot of the cassettes. As we move over, we see Frenzy and Buzzsaw, and we're going to take a look at their cassette mode again, real quick, briefly. And we're going to look at the accessories they come with, as Frenzy also comes with his signature pile drivers, a connector, his blasters, and again, the two pink cassette cases. Inside, we find Soundwave's instruction manual that on the back of it features Soundwave with varying incarnations over the last couple decades, and I must admit there's some pretty cool variants here. Also on this same sheet, we have a display cutout sheet that is designed to go with the additional chest piece for Soundwave's blueprint display and or a Decepticon readout.
Autobots detected. Laserbeak, Buzzsaw, Rumble, Frenzy, Ravage. Prepare to eject. Operation Warfare. Eject, 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 eject.
One Decepticon turf, you happen to tumble. Look out, robots! Here comes Frenzy and Rumble!
Ow.